In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the App Store missing on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step one. First, swipe through all your home screen pages to see if the App Store is simply placed on a different screen. If you still don't see it, swipe all the way left to access the app library. Here, scroll through the categories or tap the search bar at the top and type App Store. If App Store is found here, tap and hold the App Store icon, tap Add to Home Screen. Done. It will reappear on your main screen. Step two, if the App Store doesn't show up in the app library, it might be restricted or hidden. Here's how to fix that. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap installing apps. If it's set to don't allow, change it to allow. This will restore access to the App Store on your device. Final step. Now go back to your home screen or app library and the App Store should be visible again.